Hey guys, 𝐂𝐥𝐢𝐜𝐤𝐟𝐮𝐧𝐧𝐞𝐥𝐬 here. Welcome back to another video here with another Infinity Processing System review. In today's video, I want to show you some proof of results, how Infinity Processing System works to help you make money online with affiliate marketing and to help you build a solid income leveraging free social media. Now, if you stay all the way to the end, I'm actually going to give a game plan on step by step how you could actually make money with Infinity Processing System. So, if you're looking for a way to be your own boss and make money on the internet, if you can copy and paste some pre-written ads on social media and watch step-by-step videos like you get access to in the membership area over here, then this membership area will show you exactly what to do step by step, what to say, what to do. You get access to all of that when you become a member of Infinity Processing System. You get access to a Facebook coaching group and a Facebook proof group. Then if that's what you're looking for, the system is beneath this video. Click the link in the description box and you can learn all about it. You can learn about how we learn from a multiple six-figure earner as she shares her strategies that we can apply to be able to earn income in the online space. All right, so let's just get into this review real quick. So what I'm going to do in today's video is I'm going to give you a concise walkthrough of the back office of membership area of the Infinity Processing System so that you know what you get when you decide to become a member and to join. And I'm going to walk you through that. But before I even do that, I want to take you into our private Facebook community and show you that our members are getting results. I myself have made over $4,000 with this from a one-time investment into this, which is pretty awesome. And the commissions that you make are instantly and direct to you via Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, Stripe, etc. So I love this program. So pretty cool. So let's just get right into it. We have a member here, earned a $300 commission. Congrats to Ada. And she just said, remain positively consistent as this really works. Good night, everyone. And that's really all it's about. Is she's very right on about that. It's about being positive and consistent, and those are things that they teach. And I'll show you that in the membership area. We have another member here, and hold on, my thing is loading. So we have another member. She made a $50 commission. Congrats to Martha. And then we have another member here who I believe made a $300 commission. Yeah, so congrats to Astro, who made a $300 pro level commission, which is a $300 commission. All right, so what I want to do in this video is I really want to walk you through how this works really quickly, not spend too much time on it. But before, I want to do a quick little lesson with you, and then I want to walk you through the membership area and show you what you get. So let's actually just go over this because I feel like it's important for people who want to make money online and also existing affiliates to really understand what they need to know to make money in the online space. What I'm going to do is just go over a game plan for how you can make money with this. You see our members are making money with it. How could you make money with Infinity Processing System? Well, the first thing is to understand that in order to make money online, you have to have something to sell. I don't care if you are doing drop shipping. I don't care. With us, we leverage digital products. You have to have something to sell or to make money online. Infinity Processing System gives us a digital product, which is the actual membership area here, that we are able to be resellers or distributors of. And anytime someone purchases from us, we are able to make $50 to $300 commissions direct to our Cash App, PayPal, Stripe, etc. Okay, so that's how this works. Okay, so it's a great digital product. I'll walk through it in a second, but I just wanted to explain the process of making money online. So you have to have something to sell. Again, we have the ability to literally resell the Infinity Processing System membership, which is a digital product, and we're able to make $50 to $300 commissions. There's 3 commission levels: 50, 150, and 300. Whatever product package you buy, now you can earn at that level in any commission memberships underneath it. So for me, I'm a pro member. I paid $300 one time. Okay, there's a $150 level and there's a $50 level. You position yourself where you want to earn. I don't want to earn $50 commissions. I'm not about that life, and I know that that's not going to change my economy. So That's what I show other people, is how to take a digital product and to be able to earn commissions that are going to change your economy. But the first thing is you must have something to sell. The second thing is you need to learn daily and apply strategies. You need to be able to learn from someone who's already mastered making money online. Okay, so if you go over to our membership area, Adriana is a multiple six-figure earner. Okay, and she's created this membership area where she walks you through step by step on how to get started. She gives you access to a coaching group where she's in there giving value and training. And then you get access to a proof group where you can invite people who are looking to join this or to buy this from you. You can add them in here. So she literally gives you essentially a sales system, because by having a proof group, it's going to increase your sales conversion. So she's giving you access to 2 tools that are going to support you in making money online. A coaching group so that you get support, you can get your questions asked, you can get training, and then also a proof group, which is going to increase your sales. Okay, so step number 1 is actually getting a product to sell, joining Infinity Processing System, having something to make a commission off of. The second thing is having somewhere where you can go to learn daily some strategies, on proven strategies on how to make money online, and actually applying those strategies, right? Not just learning. Problem with most people making money online in affiliate marketing is they get stuck in learning, training, product. They just learn and learn and learn. There is no money in learning, right? There is, but it ain't if you stuck there. Right? You have to take action and apply strategies to make money. What Infinity Processing System will do is it will teach you how to do 3 core things. How to build an audience for free on social media, right? On Facebook, Instagram. Go back over to the membership area. On Facebook, Instagram. Look at it all over here. You get access. You don't have to do all these. Just pick 1 or 2. My favorites are Facebook and YouTube. Mostly YouTube. Okay, and she's going to teach you how to pick 1 or 2 of these platforms and to dominate it, to be able to market whatever you want, not just Infinity Processing System. So if you have another affiliate offer and you're struggling in that affiliate marketing or in network marketing opportunity and you don't know how to promote, you need to get this so that you can learn. And on top of that, you can make these commissions as well. And that's really what it's about. So she's going to teach you how to do 3 core things. How to build an audience on a free social media platform. You get to come over to the membership area and pick what vibes with you. YouTube vibes with me. Facebook vibes with me. For another person, they might like TikTok marketing. There you go. You want to make little short little videos and be dancing and stuff. Boom, TikTok is your jam. There it is. Right? And you get, she's going to show you exactly how to build on these platforms for free. Okay? She's going to show you, give you a daily action plan for success. She's going to give you pre-written ads. So if you're an absolute beginner, you don't know what to post straight out the gate, there you go. She shows you exactly what to do. And here's a little trick. Once you learn how to these pre-written ads, I take that same model and use the pre-written ads formula to market anything that I promote. Okay, so it's not just about promoting Infinity Process, it's about learning the skill sets. Okay, she's going to show you how to create automated sales funnel. These are all things. She's going to walk you through the mindset, the art of persuasion and influence, all those things. Okay, how to automate your business, right? And once you learn these skill sets, again, no matter what you promote, you know how to create an automated sales funnel for whatever other offers you promote and other streams of income that you want. She even gives you what to say when people ask for information so that you're not stuck on like, what do I say? Things like that. Okay, so these are all the things you get access to. So again, step number 1 is get a digital product so that you have something to sell. Again, if you want to make $300 commissions, you join Pro. Okay, then there's a level 150 underneath it, and then there's a $50 commission. You position yourself where you want to earn. The next step is to learn daily from the membership area and apply the strategies. Again, IPS will teach you how to build an audience or whatever free social media you want to build on. It's going to teach you how to engage that audience. How do you engage an audience? Through content, right? So content is nothing more than simple posts and simple videos. Okay, so she's going to show you how to do that. Again, post some simple posts as pre-written ads, simple posts as like if you go into the Facebook marketing mastery, let's just go into it. She gives you a video marketing strategy. If you want to leverage video, there's an actual strategy there. She also shows you how to market in Facebook groups. These are all things that where you could be posting simple things and getting leads, right? So really, essentially, this is teaching you lead generation. Okay. And then she's going to teach you how to sell to that audience. How do you sell to that audience without being salesy, right? How do you do that? Well, you do that by learning the art of persuasion and influence, right? And a lot of that is going to come from one, being consistent with your content, but it's also going to come from you understanding influence. And she actually teaches that. That's something that you will not find in many courses. They will not teach you the art of persuasion and influence, right? You have to pay high level masterminds to learn this little bit right there. Okay. You're going to get access to that as well. All right. So once you've invested in a digital product so that you are positioned to be able to earn income online, you're learning daily in the membership area. You're jumping in the membership area. You're learning how to build on the platform that you've chosen. You're learning how to do simple posts and videos and how to sell to that audience. The next thing that you have to do, and this is a you thing, is to get a schedule where you commit 30 minutes to an hour a day to build your online business. Okay. And you're going to protect that time. Your lifestyle determines what that 30 minutes to hour a day, where you find that. That might mean you doing it during your lunch break. That might mean you getting up an hour a day earlier. That might mean you going to bed an hour later so that you have that focused time to build your online business. But you will not get any results that you don't make time for. Rather, if you want to lose weight, if you don't make time to go to the gym or to meal prep, you won't lose weight. If you don't make time to build an online business, you will not make money. Okay? So make that schedule. The next thing is to focus on the action steps and not the outcome. So here in the Affinity Processing System, she gives you an action step. I'm not going to click on it to reveal, the content, but she gives you a 7-day action plan for success, where step by step, she's walking you through what you need to do every single day to build your audience, your authority, and engage that audience, and to lead them to a sale, right? For whatever you promote. Once you learn these skills as an IPS, you can promote anything. You can promote your own courses. You can promote your other affiliate offers, right? So the point is to, once you start doing that, is to daily, when you're doing this 30 minutes to hour day, is to focus on the action steps and not the outcome. This is what jams a lot of people up with making money online. Is they're so like, I got to make $3,000 a month. Well, your $3,000 a month, or your $5,000 a month, or your whatever it is you want a month, only comes from your action steps. So your goal is to every day focus on the action steps and not worry about the money coming. The money will come from your consistency of focusing on the action steps. Okay. And the next thing is consistency. Rinse and repeat daily. This 30 minutes to hour a day of you following the action plan, you're going to do every single day. Rinse and repeat consistency. And the next thing is to not, in order to make money in an online space, you want to be plugged in, right? So when you join Affinity Processing System, as soon as you get started, she walks you through how to get started, how to set up your stuff, how to order your website. But she tells you right here to join our Facebook coaching group and to join our Facebook proof group. Now, I already showed you the proof group because you got to see the testimonials of people who are getting results. That's going to keep you inspired, right? That's going to help the people who are looking for information from you understand that this works, right? But the coaching group, you want to be plugged in, because that's where you're going to get additional opportunities to continue to learn from a multiple six-figure earner, also other people in the group who are getting results. Okay, so that's how that works. So this is the game plan to make money online with Affinity Processing System. Okay, so you saw our members taking action and getting results. You can go and watch my other videos. I've made over, like I said, over $4,000+ passively with Affinity Processing System. Pretty cool. Just via simple YouTube videos, whether I show my face or not. And that's how I prefer to roll with marketing in the online space. So if you're looking for a way to earn direct instant payments, anytime you earn, you have access to your money via Cash App, Stripe, Zelle, PayPal, etc. You get step-by-step blueprint and guidance in our community. You can click the link below to get started today. Okay, if you pick up Pro, it's $300 one time. There's a $25 website fee, no monthly fees. You will get access to my daily action plan, and I look forward to welcoming you into Infinity Processing Systems. Smash that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.